In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share reports in Salesforce Lightning. Sharing reports effectively within your team or organization is a crucial skill to ensure everyone has access to the insights they need. So let's dive into this step-by-step guide. To begin, let's open Salesforce Lightning and make our way to the app launcher. This is where you'll find everything you need, conveniently located and easy to access. In the search bar, type reports and select it from the list that appears. This will take you to the reporting section where all your analytics and data management take place. Now direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll see a list of report folders. These folders help you organize and manage your reports efficiently. If you've already created a folder, locate it here. However, if you need to create a new folder for your reports, you can do so by first clicking on all folders. You'll see an option to create a new folder. Click on it and set up your organizational structure just the way you like it. Once you've found or created the right folder, hover over the folder name until you glimpse a drop-down arrow. Click on this arrow to reveal more options. One of these options will be to select Share. This action is key to making your reports accessible to others within your Salesforce environment. Next, you'll find a Share With section. Here you can choose who exactly you want to share your reports with. You have options such as public groups, individual users, or specific roles, assuming these options are available within your organization. Make sure you consider who needs access to your reports carefully, as this will influence how information is distributed within your workspace. Now, it's time to specify the users or groups you'd like to share your report with. Begin typing the names of the desired users or groups and select them as they appear. This step ensures your data reaches the right people. It's also important to choose the correct permission level for each person or group with whom you're sharing the report. You have a few different choices here. Assign the viewer level if you just want them to view the reports. Opt for editor if they need to make modifications. Or if you want to give them full control, including the ability to share further, choose manager. After setting your sharing configurations to your satisfaction, confirm by clicking Share. This step finalizes the permissions and makes the reports accessible as you've specified. Finally, after confirming all your selections, finish by clicking Done on the Share folder dialog. And there you have it, your reports are now shared efficiently within Salesforce Lightning. By following these steps, you'll be able to effortlessly manage report sharing in your organization, ensuring everyone has the tools they need to make informed decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing.